Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing question from science part of UPSC prelims this year. The first question is, water can dissolve more substance than any other liquid. This is why, because water is of dipolar nature and it can easily dissolve other compounds with it. Now if we talk about with reference to street light, how sodium lamp differ from LED lamps. So sodium lamp is having 360-degree coverage, but if we talk about LED panels, they have larger than 270, or like 270 is the maximum limit to which they can provide lightning. So that's why the first statement is correct. If we talk about street lighting, sodium lamp longer life, that is false. So hence first statement is true, second is incorrect, so we are only left with the C option. So that's why option becomes C. Now if we talk about ACE2, it was in news and it is related to spread of viral disease. So that's why you have to learn newspaper by heart. Okay. Bisphenol A, a cause of concern. If talk about this question, this was in news because we are about to start a drive for eliminating plastic. So that's why it is related to polycarbonate. Now the third question, triclosan was in news because of what? It is related to toiletry, and these kind of question, if you follow some sort of like newspaper or you follow some sort of magazine, it will be easier for you to attempt. Now let's talk about the sixth question, that says, with reference to recent development regarding recombinant vector vaccines, consider the following. If we talk about these recombinant vector vaccines, they use bacteria and viruses for their like transfusion, or you can say transportation, because bacteria and viruses multiply very quickly. So that's why these vaccines will be easier to deliver and easier for you to attain. If we talk about genetically engineered, yes, we do them. So it is all about the sixth question. Both the statements are correct. In context to hereditary disease, consider the following. If we talk about the first statement, it says that mitochondrial disease can be prevented if we can do before or after in vitro fertilization replacement of mitochondria. But this statement is incorrect because it is done only before, not after fertilization. So in vitro fertilization. Now if we talk about the second statement, it is true because if you have heard about the Britain's three parent child, that is the designer baby, so you will be able to understand these mitochondrial diseases are only related with women because they provide the cell body, and in that cell body has the mitochondria. So that's why it is generally the mother who carry this kind of problem. So seventh answer is B. Now if we talk about Volgard 1 and Volgard 2, these technology were in news. It is related to genetically modified plants. So that was a easy go because it was in current affair, you can find it easily. If we talk about pressure cooker, in this particular question we have a doubt regarding this question because UPSC have a certain like things in which they thought quite differently. So in this particular question, the area of hole of lid is also making like in pressure cooker. If we talk about how in pressure cooker the temperature at which the food is cooked depend mainly upon which of the following. अब किसके ऊपर प्रेशर कैसे मेंटेन रखते हैं, how we maintain pressure in the cooker, that is how it gonna matter. Now if we talk about the area of hole of the lid, because if the hole is smaller then the pressure will be greater, so that is one of the thing. If we talk about temperature of the flame, because higher the temperature it will be creating a lot of pressure, so that is also the case. Now if we talk about, we have a doubt because UPSC might consider this or not, because when we talk about the maintaining the pressure, if the lid is quite thin, so the cooker will be exploding. So that's why there is a doubt about this particular statement. So either it can be A or it can be D. Now let's talk about the 10th question. Consider the following: bacteria, fungi, virus. Which of the following can be cultured in artificial synthetic medium? So all of these can be, or virus, bacteria, fungi, these all can be done synthetically, matlab they can be cultured synthetically, because if we talk about these things, we develop vaccines only through artificially culturing them. So that's why option will be D option. Now let's talk about the next question. That is, consider the following statement. Adenoviruses have single strand DNA. No, they have double strand. So that's why the first statement becomes incorrect. And if we talk about common cold is sometimes caused by adenovirus. Yes, that is correct. And retroviruses are causing AIDS. So that is the common thing that you can learn. So that is B option will be the correct option. So hence, this is all about the discussion of science topic. Thank you very much.